Good morning, my dear students. You can get everything for the academic year 2020-21 means the whole syllabus you can get from this channel. And today our chapter is triangles from class 10 NCERT book, and our topic is theorem 6.2. And theorem 6.2 is, if a line divides any two sides of a triangle in the same ratio, then the side is parallel to the third side. For this purpose, let's draw a triangle. It is triangle ABC, and DE intersect AB and AC at D and E respectively. Let's write that. Given that in triangle ABC, DE intersect AB and AC at D and E respectively, such that see the statement, if a line divides any two sides of a triangle, means DE divide the side AB and AC in the same ratio, means AD by DB and AE by EC are equal. It means such that AD by DB is equal to AE by EC. Next, then the line is parallel to the third side, means this line is parallel to the third side. We have to prove this. So we need to prove that DE is parallel to BC. Means we can write given and to prove from this statement. I have nothing written the extra and figure according to this statement. So let's prove this. Whenever we take a reverse statement of the proof as our assumption and later on we prove that this statement is false, then it is called method of contradiction or method of reductio and absurdum. Using that process we have to prove this. So we have to prove DE is parallel to BC. So its opposite statement or its contradiction statement is, let DE is not parallel to BC, and we have to prove this statement false. So there exists a line must be parallel to BC which passes through D. Let the line be D E dash, and E dash is that point on AC. So we have to construct a line D E dash. How we can write this? Let there exist a point E dash on AC such that D E dash is parallel to BC. So D E dash is parallel to BC in triangle ABC. D E dash and BC are parallel. So from theorem 6.1 we can write AD by DB equal to AE dash by E dash C. So from theorem 6.1 we can write AD by DB is equal to AE dash by E dash C. And given that AD by DB is equal to AE by EC. Here this statement is given that. Let it be equation 1 and let it be equation 2. So from equation 1 and 2, see equation 1 and 2, LHS of both these equations are equal, so RHS must be equal. So we can write AE by EC is equal to AE dash by E dash C. Let's add 1 on both sides. It will be AE by EC plus 1 is equal to AE dash by E dash C plus 1. 1 is added on both sides. Next, it will be EC will be the LCM, and AE plus EC is equal to E dash C and AE dash plus E dash C, or this implies that AE plus EC, AE plus EC will be AC by EC is equal to AE dash plus E dash C. AE dash plus E dash C, it will be also AC by E dash C, or this implies that, see this equation here, the numerator on both cases are equal, so denominator must be equal, so it will be EC is equal to E dash C, means EC is the distance from C to E. C to E, it is EC and it is E dash C. Means distance from C to E and C to E dash are equal. We got this. And on the same line and in the same direction, the distance from one point to other 2 points can never be equal. So this is possible only when E and E dash coincides. So let's write this. This is possible only when E and E dash coincides. So our assumption is wrong, hence DE is parallel to BC, proved. Whenever our assumption will be wrong, we have to accept that the statement we need to prove must be correct. So my dear students, you must write this. And also don't forget to subscribe. If you have not subscribed, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Also press on the notification icon so that you can get every video I will upload. Thank you.